If you're trying to access your website and you're hit with a warning that says your site is not secure, that could mean your site's SSL certificate is not functioning. Having an unsecure website can actively hurt your credibility in search rankings. Let's break down why this happens and what you can do to fix it. First, what does not secure actually mean? SSLs encrypt the data exchanged between your website and its visitors. This protects sensitive information like contact form submissions, login credentials, payment details, and personal user data. Without an SSL, browsers like Chrome, Safari, Edge, and Firefox warn users that your site may not be safe. This leads to lower visitor counts, lower SEO rankings, and blocked contact forms or payments. Even if your browser doesn't display an error message, there are other signs that show your site isn't secure. The address in the top of your browser window will start with HTTP instead of HTTPS, and you may see an icon of an unlocked or crossed-out padlock to the left of the address. The most common reason a site shows as insecure is because an SSL isn't installed or even purchased to begin with. Second, the SSL may be expired. SSLs must be renewed regularly. If yours has expired, browsers will treat your site as unsafe even if it worked fine before. Sometimes the certificate is installed, but not configured properly on the server within your hosting account. This can cause security warnings or prevent HTTPS from loading correctly. Lastly, migrating hosts, changing domains, or even updating DNS settings can break an SSL if it's not reconfigured afterward. Check the status of your SSL by logging into the hosting account where your site, domain, and potentially SSL are located. From there, you should be able to install, renew, or purchase an SSL. These processes can be different across the many hosting services that exist, so consulting an expert like the ones here at Target Marketing Solutions is advisable. The next step is to verify that the SSL is functioning by checking the site on multiple browsers and devices. Open your site on a browser like Firefox, then check it again using another browser such as Safari or Brave. Once the site is consistently secure among multiple browsers, check the website using another computer, a smartphone, or tablet to further ensure the SSL is functional. If you're concerned you may cause damage to your site, contact us at Target Marketing Solutions. We help businesses diagnose SSL and security issues, properly install and configure SSL certificates, and prevent future security warnings from coming back. Whether your site suddenly started showing as not secure or has never been secured in the first place, our team can handle it. Contact Target Marketing Solutions today and let us secure your website the right way.